When someone asks how the meditation can help for the spirit of universal love, the first of all, we shall have to have a common understanding what is meditation. In Buddhist tradition, the world meditation refers to the training of mind. To train the mind, there are a number of different ways. The first one is a kind of at an intellectual level. The mind does not have a clear understanding. Then through meditation, the mind gives the power to understand the reality as it is. There's one kind of training. The second kind of train the mind is to try to transform or change the mind's present disposition, from negative emotion to positive emotion, from anger to love, from hatred to kindness. So these are the present disposition of the mind is altered through meditation. The third kind of training the mind is to get free the mind from the conditionings of the external factors. Our mind is deeply conditioned from many things, largely the images, the memories, and the imaginations. Knowingly or unknowingly, our mind has many acceptances without knowing. Our mind is conditioned by some concept of difference between self and the other, or difference between the different people at the other side. So all things are fragmented and divided through our thought process. To get the mind free from this condition, we have to observe our mind, how it is functioning, how it is arising, how it is conceiving or perceiving. We shall have to have a watching mind, a mindfulness we call it, through which we have to understand the disposition and the functioning of our mind properly. When we are able to deconditioning the mind from all these external factors, then mind will able to go back its natural source or its naturality. The originality means the pure nature of the mind, which is not contaminated by anything. When we are able to re-establish that naturalness, it has no limit, it has no boundary. Then it will enlarge or it will become pervasive by its own. That would be always in the disposition of love. And then your unconditioned, unlimited love can go out to all sentient beings universally by its own force. Meditation does not make some new power, adding to the new power to the mind, but meditation is dispelling the boundaries and the conditions or the hindrances. When all the hindrances and the contaminations are being dispelled, then mind itself is always universal.